Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore Viber messages on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to restore deleted Viber messages on your Android device, then follow the steps. First, make sure that you have already taken a backup of your Viber chat. Tap open Viber application and log into it first. Now, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner from the main chat page. Tap on the Settings button from the profile page and now tap on Account. Now you'll be able to see an option that says Viber Backup. Tap it on and you can back up your chat history on your Google Drive. If your Viber is not connected to Google Drive, tap on Not Connected to Google Drive option. Now, choose an account for your Viber backup, or you can also add a new account. Tap on OK in the pop-up. Right where it says Auto Backup, give it a tap and select how often you'd like to back up your Viber chats. You can also include photos, videos, and the account that the file will be backed up will be displayed right beneath. Tap on Backup now in order to create a backup for your Viber chat. Once the backup has been completed, you can now go back. Now, let me show you how to restore deleted Viber messages. Once you've backed up, even if you've got your Viber message deleted, you'll be able to restore your messages. Go to the More button from the bottom right hand corner and tap on Settings, tap on Accounts, and go to Viber Backup. Now you'll be able to see an option that says Restore at the bottom left hand corner. Tap on Restore and select Restore Now button. Once the chat has been restored, go back to the main chat screen of Viber and you'll be able to find your deleted messages restored in your Viber chat screen. That is how you can easily restore Viber messages using your Android devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.